Well, look at this, a vending machine where you can get some chili crab.
Yeah, instantly too.
Let's see how it works.
North Korea.
Okay. You want hot or you want frozen?
I'll get a hot.
Okay.
So deliver. Waiting for credit.
Yeah, okay. That's all. Okay.
McDonald's. Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, hurry up. 3, 2, 1. Here comes our food.
Watch it, it's
Whoa.
hot.
Man.
That is hot.
That is hot. No, really hot.
Okay.
So you shouldn't touch it. The feature is here today. Chili crab through a vending machine. Now I've heard of everything.
Francis says he's going to put one in the White House.
Yeah. We need to put one in North Korea in my palace as well.